Hello everyone, I'm Jie-lan from JIANGXI Teachers College. The title of my paper is Design of Computer Professional Training Teaching System based on Big Data under the background of 3 integration. In order to meet the needs of the society for the application-oriented computer talents, define the professional orientation and training goal of the application-oriented computer talents, according to the requirements of companies and enterprises for the computer talents and based on the current big data information. A computer professional training and teaching system is designed. The hardware unit includes controller configuration unit, audio control chip selection unit, and wireless communication unit. And the software module includes training teaching content module, wireless node configuration module, and database building module. Through the design of the hardware unit and software module, the operation of the computer professional training teaching system is realized. Set up computer professional training teaching environment, set up the software module configuration program, carry out simulation experiments. Experimental results show that the server utilization rate of the design system is lower than 70% compared with the existing system, which indicates that the design system is effective and feasible. The computer specialty is a key construction specialty of the state. In the course of demonstration construction, this specialty actively adapts to the needs of the regional economic and social development, adheres to the principle of service-oriented and employment-oriented, and takes the road of industry, university, research, integrated development. And in the demand of social electronic enterprises for highly skilled talents, actively probes into the talent cultivation mode of combination of 3 types of talents and the integration of 3 aspects of work and study. Obtains obvious achievements in reconstructing the curriculum system of the specialty, creating excellent teaching teams, and jointly constructing practical training bases inside and outside the school. And the quality of talent cultivation keeps improving. The 3 combinations refers to the combination of industry, enterprise, and school, and the 3 financing means the accommodation of courses, posts, and vocational qualification certificates. Through the establishment of electronic information, school enterprise Cooperative Education Work Committee to achieve school enterprise close combination, Trinity Common Development. Through the 3 combinations, highlight the guiding role of the electronic associations, electrotechnical associations, and other industrial institutions in talent training, new technology training, and other aspects. Highlight the guidance and enthusiasm of enterprises in the process of deep cooperation in talent training. Under the background of 3 integrations, the computer specialty is a highly practical engineering specialty, and the practical teaching is an important part of the talent training program and teaching plan. With the rapid development of informationization in our country, the information technology with computer technology as the core will play a key role in promoting the rapid development of national informationization and economy. At present, the country's information and economic development of computer professionals in growing demand. However, in the supply and demand of computer talents, there are two contradictory situations. On the one hand, companies and enterprises cannot recruit the computer talent they need. On the other hand, there are difficulties in finding jobs for graduates majoring in computer science. The reason is that the school does not understand the requirements of computer talent's knowledge structure, professional ability, and professional quality in the corresponding positions of companies and enterprises. In the formulation and implementation of the talent training program, the emphasis is laid on the theory rather than practice, and students' practical and hands-on abilities are generally not high. Therefore, we have carried on the reform to the university applied undergraduate computer specialized personnel training plan and made clear the specialized localization and the training goal of training computer applied talents. The second part is the design of hardware unit of training and teaching system for computer specialty. Hardware unit is the precondition and foundation of system operation and application. The hardware unit of the system, including controller configuration unit, audio control chip selection unit, and wireless communication unit, shall be designed based on the needs of practical training and teaching of computer specialty. The specific design process is as follows. First, Controller Hive. The controller is also called sandbox in the design system. The controller is an important condition to ensure that the students can be trained. In the process of configuring the controller, there are two methods. Firstly, configuration using the console part of the controller. On each controller of the system, there is a console interface that configures the system. Once properly connected to the human console, the controller's associated communication interface can be configured on the command line with basic configurations such as the IP address of the CFG interface to complete the associated configuration. The specific configuration method is as follows. Such configuration is a necessary configuration, and then set up communication configuration of the design system. You can carry out normal communication. The second part is configure by using the controller's configuration network port. Typically, there is a CFG interface in the controller's device that has a default configuration address. 2. Audio control chip selection unit. Computer professional training teaching system needs teachers to carry out certain teaching through audio, so we need to choose the appropriate audio control chip. At present, multimedia equipment is favored by people because of its intuitive sense of vision and enjoyment of hearing. In audio, many audio systems to CD, digital TV audio, digital audio processors, and digital audio tapes in the market deeply attracted a large number of consumers. UDA 1341TS is a DAC signal processing chip based on bit stream converter. Its fully integrated analog front end includes digital AGC and programmable gain amplifier. 3. Wireless communication unit. Now the design system is developing towards the direction of network interconnection, so the training platform as a teaching device Ethernet interface had become an indispensable module. In general, Ethernet communication is more complex. In addition to the core microprocessor to provide some necessary pins for use, usually need a more powerful pin-complicated control chip to assist, so that it is easier to achieve the full function of Ethernet interface. At present, there are many kinds of Ethernet control chips on the market, and the quality of chips varies, and the different types of chips can be used in different environments. Considering that the Channing platform needs to support the Linux 2.6 kernel operating system, that is, its network communication function should be the same as that of the PC used in our daily lives. Therefore, the Ethernet control chip required to be selected has higher processing capacity and better functions. Based on these factors, the DM9000, which is widely used in the industry and developed by DAVICOM, is chosen as the control chip of the Ethernet module of the Channing platform. The above process realizes the selection and design of the hardware unit of the design system, but it is still unable to carry out the training and teaching of computer specialty. The third section is design of software module of training and teaching system for computer specialty. The software module of the design system includes the training content module, wireless node configuration and module, and the database building module. The specific design process is as follows. Firstly, content module of practical training. Secondly, wireless node configuration module. Thirdly, database creation module. The fourth section, experiment and result analysis. The above process realizes the design of practical training and teaching system for computer specialty. In order to verify the performance difference between the design system and the existing system, a comparative simulation experiment is designed. The specific experimental process is as follows. Firstly, construction of practical teaching environment for computer specialty. Secondly, implementation of design system software module. Thirdly, analysis of experimental results. Now let's get to the conclusion. Under the background of three financing, this paper designs a new computer professional training teaching system based on big data, which greatly reduces the server utilization rate, ensures the stable operation of the system, and provides help for computer teaching. This is all the content of my report. Thank you for your listening.